welcome back to my channel. What if I told you that watching videos, answering surveys and searching the web the way you already do could actually put a cash in your pocket? No investment, no stress, just your everyday internet time turn into real money. Today I'm breaking down Swagbucks, how it works, whether it's worth your time, and how you can start earning from A to D. Now stick to me at the end. At the end of the video, you will see how it works for Swagbucks to be making amount of money. Without wasting much time, let's go to our Google Chrome here and search for swagbucks.com. As it is there, swagbucks.com. And this is online service you could use to make and earn money either as a student or as a parent or everyone. Now it will come here, and because I've already signed in and logged in all my details here, it pop up to this dashboard. If you are new here, you have to create an account from scratch, but because I've already been logged in, now here is my dashboard here. Now this website is about you answering questions, you watching videos, and you playing some games and earning money online. So let's try to answer a quick question here. Now here is service we could use or we could answer to get real money, and each survey we offer or we answer will generate 2 SB. 2 Swagbucks account or 2 Swagbucks coins actually means if I'm to get more Swagbucks money or Swagbucks coins, the more the money I will get. Now you stick to me. At the end of the video, you understand what these Swagbucks coins means. Now let's come here and answer various questions here. We have surprise me, automotive, cellular, food, beverages, gaming, and electronics. Now we have 40 remaining here, meaning we have 40 remaining questions we can answer under here, and each set of questions you can answer will generate 2 SB coin. Now at the end of the video, you will see what these 2 Swagbucks coin means and what it's actually worth of to generate real money. Let's click on surprise me here. Now here is question. You can lie here, here is about just answering the question. Doesn't necessarily mean it's a real question you have to force and answer. You get it? So which of the following alcohol beverages do you regularly consume? Maybe you are not consuming any alcohol. Let's click on next. Which gaming platform do you use most? So for the boys who play PC, Mac, maybe other. Let me choose PC as well. Okay. Have you or someone for whom provide care been diagnosed with the following medical condition related to sleep paralysis? None of the above. Now you can see here you can answer 50 questions maximum per day. Now let's try to answer the question and let's see what it means. Have you or someone else whom you provide care been diagnosed with any of the following medical conditions related to neurological? Of the above. Yeah, the trick is you can even select any question and you can earn your SB coin. You can describe the operation of the share of the chief income in your household. You can just choose any question you want, bro. All it needs is for you answering the question, bro. You can choose any question you want, any answer you want. Sorry. That doesn't mean how to answer every question. How do you play with it? Now I've generated 2 SB, right? So you can choose another set of questions, or you can choose another set of category. The next question, I know that about. So you could, if you have much time, you can answer these remaining surveys here to earn Swagbucks coins. Now, if you want to earn these Swagbucks coins, what we want to know, or what we have to know to make this Swagbucks coin relevant is, let's come here and come to redeem rewards. Now I'm coming to explain what this Swagbucks coins means. All these surveys we are doing here, what it means. Now these are various cards we could use to link through our Swagbucks account here. These are various cards. So if you have PayPal, if you have Amazon, if you have bank card, you can just link your bank card to Swagbucks. So the moment you offer the survey and you tally this amount of survey, let's click on Amazon. Let's click on Amazon DE. Now, if you click on Amazon DE, you could see it has 550 SB, right? Meaning we have to get or tally our amount of 22 SB here to reach maximum 550 here to earn 5 euro. Now you see it left with my 528 SB here to earn 5 euro. So meaning I have to put in much more effort to reach this limit or to reach this tally. Once I reach this tally, then I can redeem my rewards here. I hope it makes sense. So if I reach 1078 SB or 1100 SB here, it means I can redeem 10 euros here, right? Yes. So that's how it works. Now, for we that we use PayPal here is our category, right? So PayPal, we can earn just 580 SB and you can earn 5 euro. You can earn 1130 SB and you can get 10 euro and we can redeem our account here, or redeem our money here. Now let's come to settings here and let's see where we can link our PayPal account or our bank account. Now you could see here is linked account. Now you can link your account here, right? You can link your account here, either bank account, either and you have PayPal. Now PayPal is the best option for you to link this account. So bank account is a bit complicated, but you can even convert your bank account to your PayPal and same way convert your PayPal here. So any amount of SB you earn, right, it comes to your PayPal here, right? Any amount you earn comes to your PayPal here. And this is the PayPal. And this is the PayPal category here, right? So meaning every amount you earn will be on your PayPal account. So if I earn 11,000 plus, then it means I'm 100 euros. And you see, that's enough money, bro. That's enough money. Now let's answer how you can able to match all these huge amount of SB for you to get our raw money here. Let's come to refer rewards. Now we can invite our friends. You know, social media have a lot of mass audience, right? We can share our referral link and we can even type the person we want to send emails to or invoice emails to, right? Then send to him or her automatically, or send to him or her. You can post on Facebook at the same time you can post on X. Okay. So let's come to discover here. Now we can also play games and earn this SB to boost our SB account, to boost our SB coin. Here is the game you could use, and you can also download it on Play Store, right? Let's see the games. Yeah, but let's see the games. See the games here you could use. So now here is various games you can use here to earn Swagbucks coins, right? So let's come to there are a lot of games here you could prepare. Now you can play this brain test and NGS 27 SB. You can play Tao Tapmaster and N619 SB. You can also play some first Swagbucks with an N265. So okay, let's select here and see 265. Let's click on here. Now because we are using web here, we can't be playing the games, right? We can't be playing the games on PC, right? If it was to be mobile phone, it's quite easy because the selected game is currently unavailable. Play one of the available games. So it says this game is currently not available here. So let's click here and see. Now you see what I'm saying? Because we are using web, we can't be processing. Not all games we play on apps can be played on PC, right? So before we can access this kind of games, you have to use mobile phone. So you can use the mobile phone to follow my procedure I've been teaching. Then you can play this game automatically on Play Store or even App Store to earn your SB here. So here are various games you could test your hands on, and it's very legit. You could test your hands on to play various games here to earn SB coin. Now I just answered few questions, and already I'm 22 SB. I'm still grinding and putting out much more efforts to earn a lot of SB. Now let's come shop here. Let's come shop here and let's see we could get some offers too. Now here is our shop here. Now here actually means we can buy any product here and get discount at the same time. So maybe if I want to buy maybe utensils, or if I want to buy maybe items, the more I buy the items, the more the discounts, or the more discounts I get. So let's click on Walmart here. As we all know, Walmart is an online shopping platform. So let's shop here. Now if you shop at Walmart, you can earn up to 4% cash back. So every shopping item we order on Walmart here, you can get 1 SB. So you can just even order cheap materials, and I do think the more expensive the material or the item, the more higher the SB account, or sorry, the SB coin generates. Yes. So there are lots of let's see, $27 here. Yes. So we can add to cart and start ordering our items here also. So not only Walmart, you can also do to Expedia, you can do to eBay, you can order a lot. So instead of you to order your items from Temu, order your items from AliExpress and all other online shopping tools, you can come to Swagbucks here. Just order your products or items here, then just get a discount here. The more items you order, the more the SB coin it generates. So it's quite very impressive. It's quite very impressive, and a lot of people are using it to generate a lot of money here. And I guess you also put in much more effort to be earning SB coin here. And now my name is Full Stack Finance. Kindly subscribe for more updates and for more videos about finances.